need to go to the agency headquarters downtown. Your new friends are a riot. No wonder you said sayonara to the old crew. Walking away ain't easy, Trev. Sometimes I guess you gotta make compromises. What happened to dying with a gun in your hand? Life happened. Annoying wife, 2 kids. Remember them? You get tied down, you can't move anymore. What about your ties to me? To Brad? Those ties are why you got roped in on this FIB instigated suicide pact. For as long as it keeps me amused, I am. I ain't exactly sure it's gonna be amusing. We'll see. You know, you had me at suicide pact. I'm going in on the west side of the tower. Get us in position, I'll drop. Closer to the base of the tower. We're too far from the wall. Right above the building's edge. I can't go in here. West side, hello.
You fuck around while I'm out there. I'll climb back up this rope and strangle you with it. Yeah.
Okay, here we go. Keep her steady! Keep her steady!
Next, I'll have this thing so far up your ass, your tonsils will be playing shadow puppets. You think we can't do that? We can. It's in our guidelines.
I don't know what you're talking about. I installed cinema equipment, not surveillance.
Grab his other arm.
No.
You think you're impenetrable?
No.
See how you feel with this is 18 inches deep inside. Get the lube. Actually, fuck the lube. Let's dry dock him.
I guess you got
The
the wrong.
world thinks you're dead, genius. Soon you'll be wishing you were. Who the fuck is this? Terminate him! Close this problem right now!
Yeah, I can use a little backup here.
Get me the station chief! I'm not finished!
36 flow, I got you.
Don't harm the asset.
We are taking fire from another source!
Hey, hold up!
Wait!
Hey, what's wrong here?
Help me!
Come on, get off me!
We got a window, T! Pull us out!
They're extracting the asset.
Now, help! Hey, why are we just hanging here?
There's guys shooting at you, Mikey. That's unfinished business. Clean it up. We'll move on. You damn softy.
You're gonna get us killed, you know that?
Oh, it ain't me trying to shoot you, Mikey.
That's it, get us out of here!
Roger that. Whoa! Looks like we've attracted the attention of their air unit. You got a bogey coming at you, Franklin.
Shit!
Hey, I'm clear over here. Nice one, kid.
An attack on U.S. government agents is an act of war. We are clear to engage you.
I don't want to disturb you, Mike, but you might want to do something about the choppers before we're blown out of the sky. Just saying.
Oh, shit! Shit! I'm gonna fall!
Just strapped in, you'll be fine.
Land immediately and await instruction. We will shoot you down.
Oh, sucker!
I'm slipping! I swear to God!
You're good. Sit back and enjoy the ride. Ah! Screw them for wanting to protect their country.
Fuck this! What the fuck is going on?
Beats me, pal. I'm just here to do a job. Okay, T, take us back to the lot. That's affirmative, squadron leader. Come in, Franklin. This might be the time to make your exit. We'll talk soon.
Who are you people?
That doesn't matter.
They said they were government. I do home theater. I'm not a...
I don't care who you are.
Then why are you doing this to me?
Hey, hold tight. I got some friends with the Bureau. They'll explain everything.
You saved me. Thank you. Thank you.
Don't mention it.
The Bureau. The FIB. They will make everything okay.
I'm sure. Don't worry. They'll look after you.
The things those people did to me. I'm an American citizen.
Yeah, well, that don't seem to matter too much. Put her down in the lot, Trevor.
go.
Where are we?
You go easy on it.
Thank you. Oh my, you saved me. Hey, hey. No, huh? No, 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 no.
Hey, I said easy. Oh, come on, give the guy a break.
All right, I'm gonna get out of this shit.